Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change dates format on Google Sheets. So in here, I've already opened a spreadsheets, and as you guys can see at one of the column, there is this appointment date, and this is the current format of the dates that I set. So the first one is the months. Oh, sorry, yeah, SS, it's month, and then the date and the year. So if you want to change its format, you can just now select all of this date, go to format at the top, number, and in here you can see this is the current date format. You can scroll down and find the custom date and time. So in here you can just select the date format that you want for your spreadsheet. So for example, I'm going to change it into this format right here. You can click on the format that you want and then tap on apply. And as you guys can see, it will change accordingly. So that's pretty easy. That's how you can change the date format on Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.